Yo, it's Chef Ricardo, Juice Bar Channel, guys. Amazing today in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipes and ideas. You know what happened? Everywhere you go now, the time is so hot. You know what you've been seeing? Lemon and water. Very, very, very popular drink. Basically, if you are into a foreign country or you're into, I don't know where you are, but I'm telling you, this is a #1 drink which is really, really popular. And I'm just getting to this to make this is a very good drink which a lot of people need to start to drink. Yeah, unless you're allergic to lemon or you cannot have lemon. But otherwise, if you're not allergic to lemon, guys, please give this a try. Lemon or lime. This drink is a very popular drink. A lot of people been drinking it, a lot of people love it, and a lot of people been using it a lot, guys. Honestly, I just you know, I was on the train and all I've been seeing is a lot of people been drinking lemon and water. I don't know, because of the time of the weather, because you know what I mean, this kind of weather, a lot of people been troubling with a lot of hay fever, you know what I mean, being sick, being coughing and all bits and pieces. But I'm gonna say it's a very popular drink, and I'm gonna just simple giving you a quick update on what you can do when you're going to work, when you're on the train, when you're on the bus, when you're in a car, wherever you are, at work, you know what I mean. This is a very popular drink, and please give it a try, please give it a go, and hopefully you guys will love this recipe. Very simple, easy to make, and you know what I mean. When as I say, when I come across this drink a few years ago, when I said to myself, I will always preaching it, telling my fans them to say, listen guys, make this drink. It's very good for us, and it's very, you know what I mean, it cleans your body and detoxing your body, help you to lose weight if you are not allergic to lemon. So let's go into business. Simple recipe, simple, easy, effective, and you know what I mean, very good for us to detox our body, especially in this kind of weather. The time is beautiful, the weather outside is so hot, and you know what I mean, sweaty and all these things. It's a good time to detox your body. Lemon water in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo today. Quick update on what's going on. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipes from Chef Ricardo and the team. It's gonna be lemon water. That's it. Very popular drink in the UK and all over the world. Give it a try, give it a go from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo, guys. You can see I have a bottle of water. Just remove the label of copyright, and also I have a glass of water. But I want to just give you a quick update what's going on right now. This bottle it have too much water. All right, so all I need to do is just remove a little bit. Simple. Lemon. Make sure you wash your lemon. All right, guys. And all I'm going to do, get a slice of a lemon and put it straight inside of the water like this. Alright, and we're gonna do another slice. You might say, Chef Ricardo, this is too easy, but it's just an update of what's going on at the moment. Alright, then you're gonna cut this into 4 and just put it simple down into the back like this, and like this, and like this. This is a very popular drink, and a lot of people love it, like myself. Some people normally put apple cider vinegar in it, and normally put apple cider vinegar, but we are just doing a plain lemon water today. Popular drink, please make it at home and please drink it, and it will help you to detox your body, and it can help you to lose weight, and also good for us in this kind of weather when the weather is hot like this. So please guys, enjoy the simple little recipe, but you know what I mean, effective, and I know you guys will love it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as I say, it's a very easy recipe. This drink, all you have to do is just leave it in the bottle for roughly about 20-30 minutes, then you can drink it. Put it in your fridge and you can drink a bottle a day. Very good for us. Alright, detox the body, cleanse your system, and as I say, lemon is always good for us unless you're allergic to lemon. If you're allergic, please do your own research. Alright guys, I will see you next time with good recipe from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar Channel. Lemon water for the kind of weather. See you next time. Bye.